Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speakers, loosen the 2 screws on the edges of the base cover. Then remove the other 6 screws. Pry the cover off of the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the speakers and disconnect the cables to remove them from the system. To reinstall the speakers, place them back in the system and reconnect the cables. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.